to the year 1969, His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great graciously set up the royal project to provide a better life for hill tribe people living in very remote areas of the country. Temperate crops were introduced for them to replace opium poppy. His Majesty the King's benevolence, with understanding and empathy, has led to sustainable development, resulting in significant improvement of the hill tribe's livelihoods. At present, operational areas of the Royal Project cover 4 Royal Agricultural Research Stations and 35 Royal Project Development Centers. The first research station of the Royal Project, Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station, was firstly launched at Kum Village, Mae Ngon Sub-district, Fang district, Chiang Mai Province, homeland of different ethnic minorities, namely Lahu, Palang, Yunnan, and Tai Yai. The area was a hill basin pan of limestone and shale interbedded. In the old days, the villagers earned their living from opium cultivation and slash-and-burn farming. They were poor and had difficult lives. In 1969, His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great and Her Majesty Queen Sirikit the Queen Mother visited the villagers in Pak Pai Village, Fang District, Chiang Mai Province by helicopter. They were full of opium fields around the hillsides and the mountains were bald. Then their Majesties graciously granted their personal fund to buy some parts of the land from the villagers to be used as a research station for temperate crops and named the place as Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station. His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great and Her Majesty Queen Sirikit the Queen Mother, together with members of the royal family, visited Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station several times to follow up on its work progress. Moreover, diplomatic corps and experts from various countries were invited to provide specialist advice to the staff and local farmers. Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station has operated under the following strategic plans. Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station focuses on highland agricultural research, especially temperate crop research. It is therefore recognized as the most important research station for temperate crops in Thailand. It is also carrying out plant propagation and demonstration plantations for vegetables, fruits, and flowers as a learning spot for farmers. For career promotion, Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station has encouraged the farmers to grow crops and animals under food safety and environmentally friendly standards. Value-added processing technologies of agricultural products have been developed and traditional preservation and conservation have also been promoted. Enhancing the community to follow the sufficiency economy philosophy, improve community sanitation, build up self-immunity to prevent narcotic drugs, develop youths and young farmers driving community engagement towards low-carbon standards. Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station becomes a highland agricultural learning center for domestic and international students, agriculturalists, and interested people. Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station promotes soil and water conservation system, encourages the use of bioproduct and chemical use reduction, and supports environmental conservation activities. In addition, Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station is working on the Villagers Forest Project as a role model for sustainable carbon sequestration. The project focuses on restoring forest landscape and watershed forests, following the royal advice of His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great to grow 3 forests for 4 benefits. Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station is also working on a pilot project set as a role model of agency integration for best practice on agricultural land use and optimal allocation. Farmers' produce will be handled through post-harvest handling system.
under food safety standards at the center before transporting to the Royal Project Produce Center in Chiang Mai and to customers.
Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station, in cooperation with local and central government agencies, has developed and maintained infrastructure in the area, promoting the Royal Thai volunteers, doing good deeds for country and people. At present, the Angkhang Royal Agricultural Station becomes a Highland Agricultural Learning Center for domestic and international students, agriculturalists, and interested people.
His Majesty King Mahavajiralongkorn, พระวชิรเกล้าเจ้าอยู่หัว has made firm commitments to nurture, conserve, and extend the work of the Royal Project to ensure its continued operation, offering the highland communities with happiness and balancing economic, social, and environmental sustainability.